Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am working with a dog's tail, a Polka Dot Mailbox bundle, to create a spread in my planner. So here I'm taking my Erin Condren vertical planner, and I'm just going through with a stamp that puts these check boxes and lines all in place, and I'm just experimenting here. This is something new. I tried this last week and I really loved it, but this time I decided to create the check boxes before I did the layout because trying to put it on after didn't work out very well. So I'm just going to cut 2 pieces for the bottom from my 12 by 12 paper, and that's going to just create a foundation of color for the bottom of the spread. And then I'm going to go in, and I actually really loved the layout that I did last time, so I copied the exact same layout with this kit. It ended up being the perfect kit to do a layout for the week. So I know most people try to create a layout that has specific markers each day for the things that they're doing. And what I like to do is I like to take the kit of the week as a reminder of what my deal was for this week and then create a spread with that. And it worked out really well because it just happened to be a week where it was very focused on our family pet. Our dog Turner had to go to the vet one day, and he had to have medicine each day as well, like throughout the week. So it was a fun way to sort of mark the fact that he was definitely a high focal point of our week. So I used the trim sticker on the bottom, as well as I've created a scallop edge just with some paper from the collection. I did this because when I was covering up those check boxes, it didn't line up very well if I just put the sticker on, so that was my little workaround. And I actually like the way that it adds the scallop border to the top of the layout there. And then I used the stickers here that say sweet, and I was trying to find a sticker to layer in there as well, but then I decided that this cute little dog sitting in the chair was the perfect sort of height and size for that space. So I go ahead and I put stickers again across the middle in one straight line. The last time I did this, I did like a scallop circle, and this time I took the dogs and I made them sort of the focal point. So it just creates a division of lines, and then again it covers up some of that messiness of those boxes that didn't line up quite right. Again, I was just experimenting with this. I haven't used that checkbox punch very much, so I thought this would be a good way to take a look at how to put checkboxes in. And in the end, from a user standpoint, I really liked the way that it was sitting there. So I had ways that I could just quickly add little to-do checklists, because that's what I use my planner for mostly, is how I want to check off the different things that I have to accomplish for that day. I use it mostly as a to-do list. This is specifically focused primarily for my business and work, but I also do put the odd little family or personal thing in as well, but it's not primarily used for that. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to embellish with some cute little paws and hearts and other little small stickers that I could use even as check boxes as well. Like I could use the paws and stickers as a little point to also note something that needs to be done or something special that week. Like that right there. See, I've added 2 little things, add a third one. So just filling in where there are no check boxes, and they could make those little points, and then it adds some color and it fills in the additional spaces. So you could see where at the beginning it looked really messy, like, oh my gosh, what on earth is this going to end up looking like? But in the end, I was really happy with how it turned out. So I thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.